1 cup rice flour, 1 cup semolina, Rava, 1 cup all-purpose flour, Nida, 1 cup of chopped green chilies, chopped ginger, finely chopped curry leaves, and chopped coriander, ½ tablespoon black pepper powder, ½ tablespoon jeera. Take a deep pot, add all the ingredients together, add ½ liter water to it, mix it all well. Set it aside for 30 to 45 minutes. Take a non-stick pan. Let it stay on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. In a small vessel, take 3 tablespoons ghee. Take half sliced onion. Dip the half sliced onion in ghee to apply it on the pan. Note, mix the batter well before adding it on the hot pan. Make sure the flame should be on medium consistently. Spread the batter on the pan, as shown in this clip. Once you notice the rawa dosa has turned golden brown, fold the dosa as shown in the video. Serve hot, crispy Rava dosa with green chutney. Please like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Blessed Bowl Recipes.